guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with Lizzy and Chase and Darius. We're at Red Rock Falls.
What was that?
Red Rock Falls. And we're going to another waterfall that is
Mound Falls.
and it's in the same river.
Yep, it's Mound Creek. No, the fall is called Mound Creek as well.
It's so hot in here.
It is like 70-something degrees out.
For once.
Alright, no more 50 degrees. Or 60. Ooh, I have 5G.
5G?
Yep.
Oof.
There's 5G?
Yeah, it's been out for a while
Yeah,
now.
right now, from when it came out, only the Galaxy S20 had 5G. But now it's coming out on other phones. This is weird! I've never done this before.
Really?
Yeah, I've never been on one of these before.
How have you not? They're so fun.
This is weird! Oh my fire! That much more accessible. Just going across another waterfall that's normal. It's in color.
So this is supposed to be the waterfall, but it's barely flowing here.
Honestly,
Very disappointing. Look at those fall leaves. I love it. But I don't love the cold weather, but it's warm today. Look at that pretty view. There's my best friend. Now we're on our way to
Mound Creek.
Now we're on our way to Mound Creek to do more waterfall pictures.
This would be pretty for a picture.
It would.
This would be really cool to go to in the wintertime. Like
after
when
nice
there's a nice,
snowfall.
yeah, when the trees are all still
Oh, that'd
covered.
be so pretty.
But I think what would make it really cool is if there was more pine trees on this side.
Or the trees with like fall colors. This is supposed to be a waterfall. This was supposed to be a waterfall. It's all dried up. So this sucks.
Alright.
But there's disc golf and we'll have to come back here in the spring. There's some fall leaves though. It's pretty. such a better pose than mine. So I was editing this video and I saw that I didn't film an outro. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye! What is that?
It's a fly.
Oh, it's recording. I didn't even realize.
Yeah, it is.
Got him. Oh, did I?
No.
Ow!
That got hurt.
What happened?
I jammed my finger.
Ouch.
Just do your intro without me. I have to poop, baby. Give me your wipes.
I'll give you my makeup wipes.
Thanks, Feb.
Just puts that in.
I hate him. Hurry up.
They had a lot of kinks and shit that they had to work out with it because for a while the frequency of it was way too dangerous for people.
Oh, that makes sense. I don't know why I'm doing this. I always do this.